Hello friends, welcome to BAWA Tutorials, and this is the first video I'm going to upload on my channel, which will going to tell you how you can change your default audio device into your computer. So while setting up this video, I faced the same issue. I was trying to, talk into my headphones, but it was not taking the input. It was taking the input from my laptop microphone, which was not too much clear, which it is right now. So I searched the information and then I have made the settings. So I thought this was going to help you. Let's make a video on this. So how you can do it is this is the Windows 7 I'm performing on. You can do the same thing on your any other Windows. I know Windows 7 is an older one, but so many people are using, so I do. So what you need to do is at the bottom right of your of your screen's corner, you will see this speaker icon. Click on it, right click and then click on playback devices. You can also open the same tab by clicking on Windows button and then click on search and then type audio. It will show you manage audio devices or audio settings if you are on Windows 10. Then you will see the two devices here or more than two. The very first you can do is right click and then click on do not show disabled devices. That means it should be unchecked. Then you will only see the active devices into your computer. So by this, you will get to know if your device is actually connected or even not. If you see that your device name here, like my headphone name is ZebraBase1500, which I'm using right now. If you see the device, but the audio is not coming into your headphone or your external speakers, then you need to right click on the device and then set it as default. Once you do it, then it will make the device as default. So whenever you plug it in, it will automatically take the audio from this device. And as soon as you remove it, it will automatically take it to the internal speakers, which are inbuilt speakers of your laptop or of your computer. This is how it will going to work. And this is it all about this video. You will going to see this video here. If you like it, then just click on the like button, and that's it. Thank you very much. Take care.